Happy morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss a new method to find out an index number, and that is called weighted average method. The weighted average method, it has a formula like to find out index number by this method is I is equal to sum of IW divided by sum of W. Okay. So you can see easily in the standard 11 we are finding weighted mean, and that time we have a formula like x per w is equal to sum of xw divided by sum of w, and this time because of we are using our variable instead of x as I that is called index number for different commodities, and w it shows weightage or importance. In our practical day-to-day life, we know that the importance of everything is different than the other one. Like the weightage of rice consumed is different than the weightage of wheat consumed. So sometimes instead of the real numbers, they have given weighted of the things. So in such cases, we are able to find out weighted index number. This index number is very useful, and the simple formula we have is sum of IW divided by sum of W. My dear friends, I indicate itself as an index number. To find out I, we have a formula P1 divided by P0 into 100, and W that is called weightage. It is also known as importance. If it is not available, we have to use the product of P0 into Q0. So P indicate the price, Q indicate the quantity we consume, and 0 indicate we are taking the base year's information. Okay, so whenever they have given two things I and W, it is simple indication that we have to use to find out an index number, weighted average mean. So now we have to move on the illustration number 11, which is available on the page number 21. Simple instructions are there. Find the index number for the year 2016 with base year 2011 by weighted average method from the following data of price and weight of 5 different items. So illustration is available on the page number 11. I would like to copy out this question on the board. As I have written the illustration number 11 on the board, my dear friends, you can see easily the concept, the things are available. They have given prices of 2 years 2011 and 2016, and they have given weight. Weight indicated is automatically by W. Sometimes instead of the weightage they have using the word importance, but the meaning is same. So now, my dear friends, if weights are available, it is clear indicate that we have to find out weighted average index number, and we have a formula that is sum of IW divided by sum of W. Means what? For this data, first of all we are looking to find out index number for each commodity. The each items are available here we have. So first of all I would like to make my column here. This I is equal to P1 by P0 into 100. This is the column to find out index number for each items. And remember, my dear friends, P1 indicate the price of current year, P0 indicate the price of base year. So now it's a question arise here, which year should be taken as a base year. So they have given the information about 2 years, 2011 and 2016, and as whenever you read the question properly, they have given we have to find out index number for 2016. It means this is our current year. So past year is always taken as a base year. So this is the prices. So I would like to mention here P0, 0 indicate the base year, and P1, 1 indicate the price of current year. So now the simple thing is that we have to use to find out index number. So P1 200 divided by 160 into 100, and we got it our answer, that is 125. It is not compulsory to mention the calculation over here. You are eligible to calculate, you can do the calculations in your calculator, and at the last answer you have to mention over here. If you have a sufficient time, you can mention, there is no worry. But if you don't have time, you can make all the calculations on calculator and you can show the last answer over here. So now 600 divided by 400 into 100, it is 150. Then 70 divided by 50 into 100, it is 140. 18 divided by 10 into 100 is equals to 180. 3 divided by 2 into 100, it is 150. So this is the first column we made. It is called index number for each commodities, each items. So now keep the formula in your mind. Our formula is to find out index number by weighted average method. It is sum of IW divided by sum of W. So we have I. And now we have also a column of W, that is here, weight. So now which column is to be needed to prepare? It is IW. So next column we have to prepare, it is IW. The corresponding multiplications of I along with its W. So 125 into 40, you can use your calculators. I have a textbook, so it is 5,000. And 150 into 25, 3750. Then 140 into 5, it is 700. 180 into 20, it is 3600. 150 into 10, it is 1500. Now please get the total of this column. Total of this column we have 14,550. And also we need a total of W. Here you can also mention sum of W, that is I think 100. And it is also known as sum of IW. So now below the table we have to write now index number by weighted average method, and the formula we have I is equal to sum of IW divided by sum of W. Now you can replace it down. Sum of, that is called total. Total of which column? It is IW. So here we mentioned it is 14,550 divided by sum of W. Sum of it is called total. W we have is 100. So now our answer is 145.50. And as per our previous discussion in the previous videos, excess part above 100 is called, there is an increase in the prices. So here the excess part is 45.50. So anyone can get the clear idea that there is a price rise of 45.50%. So you can mention the answer at the end. There is an increase in price. 145.50 minus 100 is 45.50%. Excess part shows the increment and deficit part shows decrement in the prices. Okay, this is the first example of weighted average method. And now listen carefully. See the data. Sometimes they cannot given any information about W. That is called weightage. And they suggest that we have to find out weighted average method index number. So discussion of the formula, I discussed W means what? It is a product of price and quantity of the base here. It is E0 into Q0. So instead of weight, they have given quantity of 2011. That means what? It is Q0. So we have to make 3 columns for such calculations. First of all, we have to find out I. For index number and very basic formula we have, it is P1 by P0 into 100. W is available, but remember, if W is not available, so we have to use the product, that is called P0 into Q0. Sometime there has been given the columns I and column W, means what? Your example made very easy. I is available, W is available, so we have to make the next column, that is called only I, W. So very simple formula is that to find out index number by weighted average method. I repeat the formula, it is sum of IW divided by sum of W. I think all you understand the property how to find out or how to use the weighted average method to find out an index number. Thank you very much. See you soon.